Hello everyone, to everyone that's watching. It's been a while since I've uploaded the video, but I want to show something I've been working on. Basically, I don't really remember which AI it was on Cursor. It was probably GPT 5.5 maybe, but I asked it basically what everyone else does, how to make money online, and it gave me a couple of options. One of them was a affiliate marketing website uh, that does affiliate marketing for Amazon products. And the niche that I went with is outdoor grilling stuff. Um, so I'll go to the site right now. Um, huh. Oh well, anyway. Um, so basically, this is it. How this works is basically every day I generate 5 to 10 article reviews. I have a dashboard set up, and I can also share that in a minute. But basically, it generates a lot of these articles. They're basically like reviews for these products, and hopefully, um, it's only been up for about 11 days, but over time, search engines will index this website, and when people search for these products, there is a probability they'll land on one of these articles that I've done, that I've generated. Uh, and they click here, and then my affiliate link is embedded in this URL, so if they actually buy it, then I get a little bit of commission. Um, the article generation, though, it's not perfect, of course. So over time, I'll have to kind of tweak it, but I can demonstrate really quickly basically how it works. So I'm gonna log in real quick. 1 second. Okay. So this is the dashboard. Um, these metrics, they're not accurate yet. They're not hooked up. But to be transparent, I can show you the statistics that I've already done after about like 10 days of the website being up. But anyway, this is where you go to generate articles. So I'll try to test out two here. Hopefully it works. I've had some problems with this, but generally speaking, it's okay. Sometimes it doesn't find products to make articles for. But when that happened, I just asked it to cast more of a wide net so it can get more products. But how it's supposed to work is it's supposed to search for trending products that follow this query, which is my niche of outdoor grilling products. It will find a couple of products. It looks like, okay, so it's going to be doing a comparison article. It'll either do like individual reviews, or it'll do a comparison article, which I think is better because you have more products in your article, so there's more of a chance that the product will be indexed in a search engine. But anyway, this takes a minute or two, so I'll pause this and then I'll show you when it's finished. Okay, so we have the first article that's been finished, so I'll go ahead and check it out here. Oh, looks like it's not saved yet. Oh, so it looks like, so that one didn't score good enough, and it didn't save it, so I guess hopefully this next one will be a better score. I asked, I believe I was using GPT 5.5, and I asked it to come up with a benchmark. It's basically a checklist, and it can compare certain criteria and stuff to give the article a score. And then once I have that score, I I feed the benchmark result back to GPT 5.5, and it tries to figure out ways to improve the article generation pipeline, basically. So to get a better score, essentially, hopefully each time it'll create a better score. But anyway, this should be done soon. Hopefully it saves. It looks like this one's actually going to... Okay, so this one got a 97. I don't really know like how accurate these scores are. Like, I don't know if it just said like, okay, he needs some articles. I held the first one. Let's just give this one a better score, and then he'll post it. But let me see. That's weird. It looks like it didn't go through. So for some reason, it says that it saved it to the database, but I'm not seeing it here. Usually there should be an article here. So I'm going to try to debug this in Codex and see if we can figure out what's wrong with this. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out why this didn't work. I'm going to come here and try to copy as much of this as I can. Let's see. Hopefully this can, it can do this. I'll resume the video when it's finished. Alright, so after asking it to debug this issue, it did so for about 6 minutes or so. Basically this is the issue. It had something to do with Supabase not working. But anyway, I'll try to generate some more again, and let's see if this fixed it. Anyway, while Vercel is deploying this update, I wanted to just say, like, I want to, if this actually does end up making anything, I'm going to make an update video, but I want to show the Amazon affiliate statistics right now. So I'm going to pull that up real quick, 1 second. Okay. So the site's been live for about 15 days now, so in 2 weeks, this is what we have. These clicks, they're all organic. These aren't actually me. When I was first making this and testing everything and clicking a lot of the links to make sure they worked, and my code is embedded properly, these are all mine, but these are mostly organic, so you can see it's scaling up. So, by the end of the month, I would like to at least get like 1 commission on something, and if I do, I'll make a video. And this is just kind of to document and prove, like, if this is even possible to like make money from doing something like this in 2026. But these are some stats. On Vercel, it says I have about 1,200 page views, and again, a lot of those are probably me and like bots and stuff, like Codex crawling web pages. But anyway, the Vercel deployment's live, so I'm going to go test it now and see if it's working. Okay, so it's working now. These are the articles that we generated earlier that weren't displaying correctly. But anyway, you can come here. Apparently this is a good benchmark score, so there shouldn't be any issues with the article. But what I've been doing, though, is I will still manually review the article. So I'll come here and I'll open it. And so this is what it's produced. This is like an outdoor for like spreading like marinade and stuff. This is kind of a problem though. These are 2 different kinds of products that are being compared, so I'll have to in the next iteration for the generation pipeline, I'll have to tell it to keep that in mind for these sorts of edge cases like this. But let's see, this is interesting. I've had problems with this. I'm gonna verify this real quick and see if that's actually correct. But anyway, when people come here, they can click on this. Okay, so that looks like it's right. 9262. Yeah, that's accurate. Okay, this looks better compared to the other ones that I was first doing. This is a recent addition down here. It's to keep people clicking through the site. Maybe they'll find something that they find interesting. And I'm also waiting for my Google AdSense. I'm waiting for them to approve it for this site so I can get some more money from that. But anyway, this was basically just to showcase this. In a previous video, I was discussing like a marketing SaaS, and I might do that at some point. I haven't really worked on that at all since the other video when I was kind of brainstorming with GPT 5.5. The thing is, with OpenAI, they make you verify your identity to use their image generation API, which I haven't done yet. So if I do that, then I will probably still keep working on that. Right now, though, I saw on another channel there was a guy who sold digital products on Gumroad. They were basically like, he was basically creating like prompt templates and stuff. So I wanna try to get a Gumroad shop set up doing that and see if you can make money doing that also. But anyway, this was just like a quick update. So if you found this interesting or informative and you want to see more, then subscribe. Also leave a comment and thumbs up. It helps the algorithm and stuff. So anyway, have a good day.